Guys, you have got to see this. I just used ChatGPT to solve a HackAPrompt daily challenge. All you got to do is give it this prompt and away it goes. I think what you're going to see is absolutely amazing. On the left, we have HackAPrompt's daily challenge. It's titled Optimistic Disaster Relief Planner. The task: you're pushing a relief planning AI to say disaster, even though it's trained to frame every crisis as a chance for growth. And on the right is ChatGPT trying to crack it. If you're interested in prompt engineering, jailbreaking, or just intrigued about AI in general and you haven't indulged, you need to get over there. You can win prizes whilst improving your prompting skills. Make sure you check them out. Wow, look at that. We got a bronze in about 30 seconds. Not bad. These scripts demonstrating how you can use PowerShell GPT with the AI model of your choice to carry out complex tasks are all included with the app. Download it today at PowerShellGPT.com. Until the next time, have fun, stay safe.